When collecting data in research, you could have numerous data collectors with different backgrounds or expertise. You can design your form such that each data collector will collect only a section or some data from each study participant. In this form structure, each data collector will indicate the ID of the study participant and provide the passkey, which is optional but recommended in cases where you want only authorized persons to make form submissions. The data collector will then select the section for which they will be collecting data for the participant, leaving the other sections for other data collectors. After collecting that data, they will proceed to submit the form for that particular participant. They will do the same for all participants, each time indicating the unique ID for that study participant and selecting and filling their allocated section. This is a convenient way in collecting data with numerous data collectors and many participants. The disadvantage, however, is that data for individual participants are scattered on the spreadsheet linked to the form while they are collected just as seen in this linked spreadsheet. The Skyvums Merge Rows add-on, which can be installed from the Google Workspace Marketplace, can be easily used to consolidate or merge data collected and scattered in this manner. After installation, in the Extensions tab, navigate to Merge Rows with Same ID. In the dialog box that opens, indicate the column header name containing the IDs for each participant. It is with this unique IDs that the data will be combined for each participant. In this case, it is the participant ID, but this may be different depending on how you set up your form or named your spreadsheet columns. The scattered data for each participant will then be combined into one row for each individual participant as shown. This add-on is ideal for this kind of setup where you have numerous data collectors accessing the same form, or where you require to collect follow-up data on study participants.